better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your heart. My love and nothing more than
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you are not new here, hey girl, what's up? In today's video, I'll be working with Beauty Forever. They sent me their pretty much freshest wig on the market, which is their 24-inch body wave 6 by 4.75 pre-cut lace. It is their ready to wear and go lace unit in 150 density. It looks very much full, and I speak about every single thing you need to know about the specs and more in the end, where I give my final review of this hair on whether you should purchase it or not. And honestly, girl, the links is in my description box if you'd like to go ahead and check it out. Super affordable, and like, this hair is like butter. I don't want to say too much. You guys could check out the review after I do the install and style, and the links for this gorgeous wig will be in the description box below. So let's jump into today's tutorial.
I better find your heart. I better find your heart. My love and nothing more than I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I feel it taking over. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your heart. My love and nothing more than
circumnavigate the globe as the cash grows. Get a nigga whack like you get the grass mowed. I'm talking slick when I'm with the big slide, nigga. Could hit your bitch, you can never hit mine, nigga. In my DNA, electric slide, nigga. No catfishing, this is not a fish fry, nigga. Never switch sides from a dog. Catch a contact, hit your ride, go to Mars. Everybody say, how could you come about your face and say I need the hardest nigga you done never heard? I never black a rapper's dead and bird. The verse for me is like 11 birds. It didn't let us take $2,000 every word. I'm on the verge, I'll be the church. I kill some niggas and I walk away from it. Then I observe just how you curve. Then told a nigga that they gotta wait for it. I know you ain't hard to man. I'm ballin' on the pussy nigga like you want a man. I'm counting all inside the pussy like I never swear. Hey, fuck your IG, I put something on your sonogram on the man.
Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. Just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on a money 9'2". We just say the word and I'll run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew.
can make a brick walk, up, north, down, south, bank, hit a picture walk, hit it with a little water, stretch it like a vocal cord, STD, I run my ward, fuck a fed and his daughter. I'm a ready come down, that's a butter, sugar, rich and bread. I got a man and she gon' ride. She took a quarter and she fled. I'm in a hill, so she gon' ride. I see the pain and shot it like fries. I'm at the London with some big thighs. No fries, she steaks with the fish size. Did your mama tell you something on 5 stop, drop and roll? I've been on the road like a pair of spanners or stop and goes. Yeah, I can charge him like a Dutch and a demon. Got your broad in the garage, you ain't seen it. Every time a nigga go back to the war, niggas act like they won't start it. We leave them on the cement.
Meet me at the window. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. Just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew. Yeah, I knew.
I crush down with the money. Put it full time, whole place. Full side. And I down, city whole time, whole place. Full side. This right, nigga, never switch sides on the dog. Catch your contact, hit your ride, go tomorrow. Everybody say, how could you come about your face and say, I ain't the hardest nigga you done never heard? I never black a rapper's dead and bird. The verse for me is like 11 birds. It didn't let us take $2,000 every word. I'm on the verge, I'll be the church. I kill some niggas and I walk away from it. Then I observe just how you curve. Then told a nigga that they gotta wait for me. I know you ain't hot to man. I'm balling on the pussy nigga like you want a man. I'm drowning all inside the pussy like I never swear. Hey, fuck your IG, I put something on your sonogram on the man.
Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. Just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew. Yeah, I knew.
Talk, perch talk, I can make a brick walk, up, north, down, south, bank, hit a picture walk, hit it with a little water, stretch it like a vocal cord, STD, I run my ward, fuck a fed and his daughter. I'm a ready come down, that's a butter, sugar, rich and bread. I got a man and she gon' ride. She took a quarter and she fled. I'm in a hill, so she gon' ride. I see the pain and shot it like fries. I'm at the London with some big thighs. No fries, she steaks with the fish size. Did your mama tell you something on 5 stop, drop and roll? I've been on the road like a pair of spanners or stop and goes. Yeah, I can charge him like a Dutch and a demon. Got your broad in the garage, you ain't seen it. Every time a nigga go back to the war, niggas act like they won't start it. We leave them on the cement.
Meet me at the window. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. Just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew. Yeah, I knew.
I crush down with the money. Put it full time, whole place. Full side. And I down, city whole time, whole place. Full side.
Alright you guys, so the hair I have on today is from Beauty Forever, and let's get into the details, reviews, specs, all that good stuff. So this wig is from Beauty Forever. They sent me their 24-inch body wave 6 by 4.75 lace closure unit. It is their pre-cut, ready to go and wear lace, or ready to wear and go lace in 150 density, 24 inches. Girl, let me tell you how these crimps make this hair look way fuller. I mean, the body wave in itself was also very full, but this is just like oomph. I love that. I love when you could get any type of hair and just make it into what you want. And I decided to do crimps today. I didn't feel like doing beach waves. I didn't feel like doing curls. This is just the vibe of this gorgeous wig. And like the title of the wig, it's ready to Wear and Go. You could take it off, put it back on. It's pretty much glueless. I didn't have to do too much. Just spray some little spray on it, tie it down for that extra melt, and you're good to go. But honestly, you don't even need to do all that. Just tighten the band. It comes with an adjustable strap in the back, so you could just tighten it with one pull and you are ready to wear and go. Honestly, so far this hair is a 10 out of 10. Let's talk about the smell. It doesn't smell like a factory smell, so we are so far past that. It doesn't smell processed. The hair is virgin hair and it didn't burn. Usually sometimes you'll have hairs burning because it's synthetic. I didn't have that problem with this one. In regards to the length, it is very much true to length. When I go back, you guys can see it pretty much hits around where 24 is, and I feel like if it was straightened or something, it would give 26. So you are getting a bang for your buck with the length, because it's probably like an inch longer than 24. So that's great. The ends of this hair is really nice and full. I'm not getting straggly. It never gave that. Beauty Forever always comes with the good quality. And as for shedding, I'm not really seeing any of that at all. So far, so good. In regards to tangling, I'm not experiencing that also. This hair is pretty much like butter, super silky smooth. So that is pretty much my full 100 review on this wig. It is good to go. I definitely recommend it. And if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit from Beauty Forever, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check that out. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.